Hello, children. Today we are going to start with English Reader, chapter number 4, The Strange Singers. But before starting this chapter, I would like to ask few questions. Do you like to sing? I hope everybody must be singing either in their washrooms or in the temples, and they love to do so, right? And you all must be having your favorite singers also. May it be Diljit Dosanjh or Neha Kakkar. And they all have inspired us a lot to sing very melodiously, right, children? But have you ever seen an animal singing? I hope no. And just imagine how will a dog sound if it is singing? So now, in this chapter, we are going to read that how a dog, a donkey, a cat, and a cock have decided that they are going to sing. And what all happens, we'll read in the chapter. But before reading the chapter, I would like you all to just understand the new words. Among new words, the first one is whimpering. Please repeat after me. Whimpering. The next word is devotedly. Please repeat. Devotedly. Next, awful. Please repeat. Awful. Next, survive. Here, the sound of R is very low. So just repeat survive. Good. Next word is feasting. Please repeat feasting. And the last word is relieved. Please repeat relieved. I hope all the new words must be clear to you all. Now we will switch to the reading and explanation of this chapter. So get ready. Let's start the reading of the chapter. Once there lived a donkey. He served his master devotedly for many years. But when he grew older and weaker, his master decided to get rid of him. The donkey became very upset. He thought, Master doesn't need me any more. I will only earn my living as a singer now. So he set off. On his way, he met a dog whimpering on the roadside. What's the matter with you? Asked the donkey. I have grown old and weak, and my owner doesn't want me anymore because I can't guard his house. So, children, what happened? That there was a donkey who was devotedly working for his master for many years. But when he grew older, when he was unable to carry loads for that master, the master decided that I'll throw this donkey out of his house. And at that time, the donkey became very much worried that how he's going to get food and other things. So what he decided that I'm going to earn my living as a singer, and he just moved away from the master's house. But on his way, he met a dog who was whimpering on the roadside, who was crying. And the donkey inquired the dog that what has happened with you. And the story was same, that the dog has also grown old and weak, and therefore his master has also thrown him out of the house. So let's see what all they discuss with each other. Please turn the page and let's continue our reading. I don't know how I am going to survive now, said the dog. Well, don't worry, my friend. You may join me as a singer, suggested Donkey. Then the dog felt relieved and he joined the donkey. Soon they met a cat on their way. The cat too looked very sad. She was sad and thrown out of the house by her master because she wasn't good at catching the mice anymore. The donkey and the dog persuaded her to join them as a singer. She was very intelligent, so she quickly grabbed the chance and joined them, and thus the three friends went on the way. So, children, what happened now? That when the dog said that I have been thrown out of the house, so donkey told him that you can also join me as a singer and we both will earn our living as a singer. So they both together went on their way to be a singer. And when they were moving ahead, they found a cat. And the story was same again with the cat also, that the cat was also thrown out of the house as it was unable to catch the mouse. And then both donkey and dog persuaded, that means they tried to convince, make her agree that she should also join them as a singer. And the cat was very intelligent. It quickly catched the opportunity and joined them as a singer. Then all the three friends went on the way together. Now please look at the bottom of the page just below the picture and let's resume our reading. When they passed an old farm, they heard a cock crowing with all his might. "Why are you crowing at the top of your voice?" asked the donkey. "You are welcome to join us on our voyage to become a singer," added the dog. The cock accepted their offer gracefully, fearing that the owner would kill it because he was old and weak. Thus all the four friends set off. They were tired and hungry. So now what has happened? That when the three friends went off, they found that there was another cock who was crowing and crying at the highest pitch. And then they asked the cock also that why you are crowing. And it said that I have become old and I am fearful. I am afraid that now my master will chuck me, and that means that my master will cut me and eat me because I have grown old and weak. I am of no use to him. Then they said that don't worry, you can also join us as a singer. So then let's continue. One of them saw light at a distance. It was from a house. They decided to spend the night there. But children, do you know what did they find? They saw four robbers inside, sitting at a table and feasting themselves on food and drinks. Now what happened? That when they looked into the house, what did they find? That there were four robbers in that house and they were having good time. They were having good food. They were having a party inside and a lot of food was there on the table which they were enjoying. So what did they decide? Let's chase them away and then we can have the house and food for ourselves, said the cat. Then 1, 2, 3 commanded the donkey, and all the animals began to sing loudly in different voices. When the robbers heard awful voice, that means the very bad voice, they got scared and they did not look at the window and they ran away. The singers jumped into the house. Here the singers are the animals. They jumped into the house and enjoyed a good meal. Thereafter, they lived happily in that house. I hope the chapter must be clear to you all. So, your home assignment is read chapter 4 and underline the new words. Thank you.